2022, billions of dollars vanished from exchanges that everyone trusted. The question nobody asked until it was too late was a simple one. Where's the money actually kept? An exchange shows you a number on a screen, a balance. But that number is just a database entry. The real test is whether, if every user hit withdraw tomorrow morning, the coins are actually there. That's the question Proof of Reserves answers. Toobit's Proof of Reserves shows, in public, that every asset on the platform is backed 1-to-1 or better by real on-chain holdings, independently audited every single month. It works using something called a Merkle tree, a cryptographic structure that condenses every user balance into one root hash. Change one thing, and the root changes. So when Toobit publishes that root, it's locking the math in place. Here's the part that matters. You don't have to take Toobit's word for any of it. Inside your account is a record ID. The verification tool is open source on GitHub. You paste your data, run it, and within seconds, you see whether your balance was included in this month's audit. The crypto industry was built on a phrase, don't trust, verify. Most exchanges forget the second half. Toobit didn't. Links in the description. Go verify your own assets. It takes about a minute. Then come back and tell me your favorite crypto Twitter conspiracy theory in the comments.